The Audi Q-Drive is unlike any other normal test drive. Most of the time people have only the chance to go to the dealership, take the car and go on a drive on the road. And they can't really feel what these cars have to offer, especially the Q range of cars with the Quattro.
Audi Q-Drive is a concept which came up about 4 years back, and we slowly came up with these activities where we tell the customers or the prospects about the capabilities of these cars.
So basically what we've done for them is we built a track, and the track has a bunch of various activities, obstacles. It's fun, people get to enjoy it, and also while enjoying it they get to experience the Quattro and what it has to offer. It's basically a permanent all-wheel drive system, and it's very variable in the sense that there's always power going down to all the wheels. So even if you have a wheel in the air, for example, just freely moving, what it does then is it will cut the power from there and send it to the wheels that require the power. That way it keeps the car moving forward, and also it's pretty easy for people to drive.
So it's a lot that I really can't explain in words, and it's a great technology which keeps you rolling out and you won't basically get stuck. We start with rumblers, which is your cabin noise test, chicken holes, which is your suspension test, axle twisters and articulation, which is your Quattro and ground clearance test, coming to trench, which is your torque and balance test. Tilt angles, we are taking the cars up to 35 degrees tilt angle, though these cars are designed to take tilt of up to 40 degrees. And then we have the hill descent and ascent.
Basically, Audi driving experience unique is that when customers come here, they get to drive the cars themselves, which makes them feel extra special and makes them one with the car. So that's why the Audi Q-Drive is special. If I had to use one word for the experience from a customer's point of view, it would be a fascinating experience.